In this video, I am going to show you how Inforbix easily tackles the challenge of sharing product data within a manufacturing company. Someone in the purchasing department has requested from you, a manufacturing engineer, an inventory of all the fan components supplied by a particular vendor since 2008. Here's how Inforbix lets you quickly access the data you need and share it with the person in the purchasing department that requested it. So you enter fan within Inforbix on the search bar, and Inforbix is going to return all the instances in the company where fan appears. Know that you're particularly looking for either a SolidWorks assembly or SolidWorks document, so you filter for that. And Inforbix is now going to return all the relevant SolidWorks document and assemblies. Now you'll create a table because now you want to slice and dice and create a report of the particular data you're looking for. Inforbix is now formatting and creating that dynamically. So here it is, and you see that there's quite a number of document types that have been returned. So what you will do now is you will choose the columns and create the columns that will actually generate the report that you like. So you know a couple of things. You know that it's going to be a description of a fan, and you're looking for the particular manufacturing vendor, so I'm going to put that next to the description. And then finally, the other thing I need is the last modified date, because I know that I'm going to be looking for a particular vendor's components that are part of a certain time frame. And I'm going to delete everything else in that table that I don't need for this particular report. And as easily as that, I've now just created a table of the various items that I want. Now I'm going to filter for that. And I know that I'm particularly filtering for the fan components. The manufacturer, I happen to know, is called Midcoast, because that's exactly what the purchasing department had asked me to request. And the modifying date is since 2008. So I am going to now filter for 2008. And Inforbix lets me easily and quickly do that. So I'm just going to start on the 1st of January. And here I'm going to be doing today's date, which is the 13th. And now I am ready to filter for the information that I need. Inforbix now returns the specific information that I need. So this is for the fan unit that has been supplied by Midcoast. That's our fan supplier since 2008. Now the last thing I want to do is share this back with the purchasing department, with the person. So I'm going to click here on the left, Share Table, and what Inforbix is going to do, it's just going to use my default email system, and now I can go ahead and email this to the person in the purchasing department. That's all it takes. That person will then receive the email, they'll click on the search results, and again, they're just reproducing the recipe that we sent them, and they'll have the very same information that I've just regenerated here in this report. That's as easy as Inforbix makes it happen. Thank you.